welcome back to another vlog. It's Vlogmas day 5. Yes, it's Vlogmas day 5, and I'm here in the kitchen making breakfast. I'm making fried dumpling, and hold on, I'm trying to put y'all down. I'm making fried dumpling, and well, we call it steamed cabbage, but we Jamaicans call it steamed cabbage, but Americans call it fried cabbage. So yeah, I steam it, and I put like bell peppers, and you see a little clip on the screen. I put like bell peppers and onions, scallions, all of those stuff. I put all of that in there. It's already made, but now I'm doing my dumpling because we want dumpling. Okay, so I already made it. This is what it looks like. I had it sitting down for a little bit. My hand them clean, but I'm gonna wash it again. And the pot is already hot. I have it on medium. Layla is doing her chores. She's unloading the dishwasher. But I want to show you guys, they have their PJs on already. So show them a sneak peek of the PJs. She's a little bear. Aaliyah is in the living room. Ja has Zane, and either she's in her room or in the living room. But Zane's fussy. Let me see him real quick. Let me see him before I start making this. Did he pull? Hold on. What else? Let's see. Hey, why you have to send that one? There's way better ones than that. Here's Mr. Whoop! Where you going? Here's Little Bear. Say hi, Little Bear. All the kiddos are wearing their PJs. The adults are not. Say hi, Little Bear. He's mad. Do you see what I did with his hair? I gave him little twisties. He's so cute. Look at his face. He's grilling. He's like, why y'all in my face so early? All right, could you take him after finish this? I have to finish breakfast.
I'm talking to Melanie in like a
year? Yeah, because look how big the baby got. The last time I heard from her was
the baby was an infant.
Yeah, she literally just had the baby. That's a girl or a boy?
The one she's pregnant with?
No, the first one. A friend, well, I don't know her per se, but that's one of his work friends. She's having a baby. I need more olive oil. My olive oil's finished. Everything has a tag. Yeah, so I just wanted to start the vlog. We were up playing Mario Kart, which was fun. We haven't played any games in a while, like together. The girls are always on the Switch, but we haven't been playing any. Like, Ja plays Fortnite now and again, right?
Yes. When he doesn't have any work or anything to do.
Like in between working, he plays. I mean, I really play a video game. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go Friday dumpling. I'll come back. I just wanted to check in. I'll come back when everything's finished, so y'all can see that.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all, so breakfast is done. Here's this one she's eating. Yeah, they're in their fried dumplings. They love my fried dumplings. They're not perfect. They got a little, you know, they were made with love.
Mommy,
Yes, baby?
what do you mean that they're not perfect? You got perfect dumplings.
There's a perfect dump. Oh my, I swear my kids boost my head so much. I mean, yes, why I said it wasn't perfect is because they're a little brown. They're a little extra brown. They're not burnt, but they're extra brown.
But the extra brown tastes good though.
Tastes good? Thank you, baby. I think Zany Poe went down for a nap. Where is he? In Daddy's office? No, he's awake. Papa, your father just leave you, sir? He just left you, sir? He just left you, sir? Look at the bear. Look at the little bear. Say hi, peeps. I thought you were napping. He's been in the office. Lord God. He's been in the office with Dada. I thought you were napping. All right, let me pick you up. I'm gonna rest y'all right here. Oop. The blanket in our face, but hold on. Papa Bear. Papa Bear. Girls, aren't you eating breakfast? Whew. My back hurts. When the weather changes, because I have back pains, my back starts like killing me. And I've been in so much pain. That's something I don't know about me, but I know now. I have chronic back pain. Yeah, I'm drinking my handy dandy mint tea. Everybody's eating. Well, actually, Jai's on the phone with my grandmother. I called her just to check in with her, and they went outside. Oh, dear. Seriously?
You've been getting boxes from Amazon. This is like 1 week worth of boxes.
Oh my God! It's for work.
This is the past week. You see this?
It's for work. Leave it alone.
She's doing reviews.
It's for work. She knows.
Here go our cats.
I need to go visit. Sorry, or something. Yeah, but we're eating breakfast. He has my tripod, so I can't prop y'all up. So, but I'll see y'all in the next clip. I don't know what we have planned for today, but I do have company coming over. One of my little mommy friends are coming over. Just, just to come check in with me and stuff like that, because I haven't been anywhere like that. So they're coming over. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. If I do, if they're okay with it, I'll vlog a little bit. But if it's, I respect their personal space. But yeah, she's been on the vlogs before though. She has been on the vlogs before. Her and her daughter, they've been on the vlogs before. So I don't know. If it's okay, I will. If it's not, you have to respect, boundaries. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay? All right. So this is the board. How does it look? Looks great, huh? Yeah. So now we're gonna have a little wine, and we're gonna enjoy ourselves. I don't know if they're gonna be on camera, but yeah. See y'all in the next clip.
See the failure but a try. So I'm going to try the smallest piece possible.
You might want to offset it with something else.
Smallest piece.
You said offset it with something. What should I add to it?
It feels
Bread.
Bread or
A piece of
different kind
fruit.
cheese.
Okay.
Just so it's not so
Cheesy or
yeah.
I don't know. I eat it by itself. It doesn't even taste like goat. Come on.
like goaty.
Bah.
Y'all need help. She's trying goat cheese for the first time.
All right, here we go.
Okay, hold on, mommy. Okay, ready? Are you supposed to eat it with your hands?
Oh, with the little fork.
Oh.
Your little fork, it's your food, so you can use your hands if you want to. It's your food.
Okay.
Yeah. What else? I don't know.
Nom 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 nom.
Come on, Dominic, try it.
Okay, ready, mommy?
Yeah, I told you to put it
Take
on
a
the
little bite.
Take a little bite, or you can put a piece of bread or something.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it by itself.
I'm not.
It's good.
One. Mommy.
Wait a minute. I
Look.
gotta prepare myself.
See.
All right, here we go.
One.
Go.
2, 3.
It's fruity. Look at her face. Look at her face.
Is it good?
Like,
It's not
I
that
don't know what
bad.
Dominic eat, but I'm pretty sure.
No, that's actually not bad at all.
That's what I'm saying. It's not that bad.
Alright.
The
It's
blueberries.
just the blueberry. Hey guys, so I'm just back to close out today's vlog. Yeah, as you can see in the previous clip, we had our friend over, and we're just catching up and talking. I'm sorry. I'm putting baby bear to bed. Just talking, catching up. Sorry. Am I being loud? Am I being loud? I'm sorry. Yeah. See, I'm even waking him up. Yeah, but I'm just here to close the vlog out. We had a good time. We're gonna schedule something else to do one of these days, but for now, we just catch up. So yeah, I'm about to post today's vlog. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next one.